Welcome back to Carolina Rock Cuddles. Today we're doing something that people have been asking for a while, and I haven't got to it because we've been doing so many other things. And I know y'all are ready for this, so without further ado, we are going to start on the bed today, guys. By the end of this video, this thing's going to be up there. I don't exactly know how to get everything healed right. It's going to take a while. We're going to do a cutting and fabricating. I have about the right way to get it up there. Well, anyways, I'm going to pull it in there. We probably won't paint it today because there's way too much moisture in the air. Like, it's literally just been raining all day, so painting would just suck. But we'll go ahead and get it in there, get it cut off, fabricate it up there. I think I finally found a way to get it up there and have it so I can take it on and off whenever I need it. So let me get the forklift and get it inside. Got our golf balls. It's kind of rough out here. Got a lot of metal out here. Come on, baby. Okay, we got it. Kinda. Running over all that tin. Thank God for double flats. They never go flat. Yay! I'm within the building! So the first step is we gotta cut this thing off right here. It stopped. It used to hinky or move. It's like rusted shut, so it ain't gonna move at all. So we gotta cut it off. Then we gotta cut these off because we're no longer gonna have a tilt bed. We like grinding them on this thing to make it look good. But anyways, let's go ahead and cut this off. So that is what I didn't want to happen. A piece of slag went in my boot because I don't have my pants on. And I'm budging blowing. But I gotta cut it. Now I gotta cut the rest of it. Boy, this is a lot of cutting. Okay, we got it off. Guys, that thing is a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be. I thought most of the weight must have been there. But this thing's stout. I might have to find some way to take some weight off, or it's just going to be the best paperweight ever. Well, we got to cut the rest of these little pieces off and get this out of our way. And then we'll be about ready to mount it. Well, we got it cut and we got it placed. It's time for y'all to see it. The grand reveal of what it looks like with a bed. Ready? Y'all ready? Bam! Looks way better with a bed. Of course, sadly, the bed's way too long. Got to cut a lot of it off. But other than that, it looks, to me, if you take, let's see, right, if you take my finger, there we go, right there. That's going to look really, really good like that. Maybe a little bit longer. But anyways, we got to cut this bed off and get the frame ready to go to put on. Of course, we can't finish it because we still ain't finished our hanger for the band deal. We got to finish that before we can completely put it on. But we'll get it ready. I would say I really need to paint it, but we can't paint it in here because of the moisture. It's raining like crap. Anyways, we'll get this thing grinded down and start cutting pieces of it off. Got to cut a good chunk of it off, as you can see. Man, it looks way better with a bed on it. Actually looks complete now, or getting complete. Well, I think that's about where we're gonna cut it off, right there. I think that will be just right. It's just past the tiles. It's hard to tell in the picture, but see, this is where the tire is. See if I can get the angle. That's where the line is. We're just past the tiles. I think it'll look better if it's just past the tile, about an inch or so. So we got that. So now it's just time to cut this thing. And I am not a straight cuddle, so this is gonna look very crooked. We're gonna do what we can and try to get it as straight as we can possibly get it. So everybody say a little prayer for me and my cutting. Now, one good thing I can say about the bed right here that we just put on, I ain't gonna lie, guys, it is heavy. It's not crazy heavy, but hopefully this is gonna solve a floating problem, because it's heavy. Well, heavy enough that I don't like it, but I took some beams out and we're gonna try to make it just a little bit lighter because it's way too heavy. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we got it on. Well, we got it grinded down and kind of set up there. Look at that thing. It looks good. I took a lot of it off, as you can tell. I have horrible cutting skills. Luckily, I have a friend who will come in and help me straighten it all out. But look at that thing. You can't tell me that don't look good with that bed. I mean, I was going to do a flatbed, and I'll still probably do a flatbed at some point. But for now, this is what we got. It was free. It's heavy as can be. Let's back up. Ooh. That looks way better than it was empty. Well, guys, that's probably where we're going to stop the video. I was hoping to get a lot more done, but there's nothing I can really do until we get all of this down here finished. Like I showed, I got to get the extra hanger here done. And my buddy who's been helping me, the one who's kind of doing the welding and he's really good at that kind of stuff, welding stuff, he hurt his back really bad, so he's not been able to help me all week. So hopefully he'll be back Monday and can help me weld that up, and we'll have it back going next week. But because of that, I'm not going to have this video complete. I know it ends before the bed's completely on, but as you can see, the bed's done. All I got to do is put some hangers on and weld them up there and kind of level it. I don't know if you can see. Oh crap, my pocket got caught. Ah! Anyway, it's kind of crooked right now because it's unleveled. So I got to put some, got to level it up a little bit. Got to put a piece of I-beam back here, and that will make the bed complete. Now, I don't know if I want to cut that straight or leave it like it is. I almost want to leave it like it is. Maybe get some something gasket back there. I don't know. We'll figure it out. And yes, that tile's smaller than that one because those don't hold L, and those do. I really got to fix that. So I'll show y'all what I'm going to do. Let's see. Got to take my gloves off. They won't come off. Okay. So let's see. Soapstone, soapstone, soapstone. So show what I'm doing. So let's see. We got the bed. Nice square bed. Well, not very square. Okay. Then you got the frame. You got the frame down here. Circle, circle. So the bed's there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come off with two little pieces like this, and put a circle there, and do one back here. Circle there. Gonna come down with two hangers, like with bolts that will go like this. Is the frame. It's gonna go down, put bolts on it, so that way I can take the bolts off and quick release it whenever I need to, because if not, it's gonna be a pain. Let's see, this thing has something similar to what I was talking about. I'll show you all. See, kind of like, it'll go this right, something like this will go down inside the frame, then you put a bolt through it, and then whenever you want to take the bed off, you take the bolt off, the whole thing comes out. That's kind of how I have it planned. I mean, I don't see any other way I'm going to do it. That's the way I plan on doing it. But sadly, like I said, my buddy messed his back up, and I have a lot of things going on, so I really can't complete anything this weekend. So unless things change, this is probably where the video is going to end. I'm probably going to go ahead and start grinding this all down, grind all the edges off, sand this down, probably put a nice decal on the back, like Honda 6x6, or hey, a lot of people have been liking the little yellow stripe there, or the yellow vent thing, yellow vent line, and saying it's the Mick Honda. So we'll get it straight. We're going to have everything ready soon enough. So if you don't mind, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video, because the next video we're going to have in the mud again. But I think we're going to have 100% now. She's going to be ready for Busco. I'll see y'all next time. I'm just admiring this thing. By the way, guys, I have a Facebook now, where I'm going to be posting a lot of pictures and videos, so that way I don't have to keep posting all these pages of this thing. It's called Carolina Rut Cuddles, just like everything else. Just go up there, find it, follow. I also got an Instagram, which is like Carolina Rut Cuddles CRC. But make sure you follow everything if you want to keep in touch with this machine and everything I do. Right now, my Facebook got 6 followers, so I don't put too much up there. Just kind of posting links to Facebook, to my not Facebook, to my YouTube account. So if y'all start getting up there, start getting the group going, I'll put some special stuff, some giveaways. We'll do some stickers of this beast. We'll get a little bit of everything. So we'll see y'all on the next one. I hope y'all enjoyed everything, and make sure you subscribe.